Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bobo Jr. token. This is Bobo the Bear Jr. Ticker symbol is Bobojr, all one word. This is a brand new token that's about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about half a day or so. Pinksale.finance just recently started doing pre-sales in Solana. So they had Sol, Beta, Launchpad just recently, maybe about a week or two ago. This got launched, so they started doing pre-sales in Sol. And so this is a new token, and they have a full audit. Pre-sale is about to start in half a day. It's a public pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Bobo Jr. It says, buy 5+ Sol and receive a free Bobo Jr. NFT. The official meme of the bear market. Healthy supply distribution, decentralized, no taxes, renounced contract, fully audited, LP burnt, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, free central exchange listings. I don't know what that means. Free central exchange listings. I guess they mean central exchange listings will be coming. Trending on Dex Tools, trending on Bird Eye. They have a buy bot on SolScan. And then looks like KOLs, Meme Power, trending on X, and Pure Community Power Coin. So they have a full audit by Analytics Audit, and you can review the PDF of that audit on Pinksale. They have a Telegram you could join at Bobojr _ Sol, and only 19 followers on there so far. This is a very brand new project. You can find this token listed on a Coin Sniper. That's where I saw it first here. So Coin Sniper has the pre-sale information saying that it's starting on the 22nd. And let's see if that's accurate here. So if you go to their pre-sale, the pre-sale will be, so pre-sale starts February 22nd, 17 hours UTC time. And it runs for 2 days, 2 hours. It goes until February 24th, 19 hours UTC time. So basically, soft cap for the pre-sale is going to be 75 Sol. Hard cap is 300 Sol. So either the 2 days, 2 hours will be up, or 300 Sol hard cap, whichever comes first. That's when the pre-sale is over. There is 7 decimal places on this token, a total supply of 69 billion tokens, 34.5 billion tokens for pre-sale. Now, if you missed this pre-sale and you are looking to get this token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be listed on Bird Eye for sale and Raydium, maybe Jupiter as well. They also have some central exchange listings here. So we're going to go over the decentralized exchange listings first. First of all, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these pre-sales. But second of all, you'll be able to get this token on Bird Eye or on Raydium. So on their webpage, you can click on Bird Eye to see the chart, but it's not available yet until the pre-sale is over and the token goes live. but they have a link to Bird Eye on their webpage. You can click on that. So basically how you get the token if you missed the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and trade your Sol for the Bobo the Bear Jr. token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, bobojrthebear.com. Now, it says 0 tax, so you probably will not have to set slippage. And it says, it doesn't say how long liquidity will be locked yet. It says unsold tokens will be burnt from the pre-sale. But also, on their webpage here, it says their partners are LBANK and MEXC Global, along with Pink Sale. So shortly after the pre-sale as well, I would assume that this token is going to look for central exchange listings on LBANK and MEXC Global. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that. So if this token gets listed on there, all you'd have to do is go through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bobojr, and then simply just buy the token. But we'll have to wait, follow their socials to see if they get those central exchange listings. And then they're also partnered with Blur, and so that's where their NFTs will be listed, I'm sure, in the future, is on Blur. They say 92% of the tokens go to the community, 8% goes to central exchange listings. So they have that in the tokenomics there. Contract renounced, liquidity burned. So Bobo the Bear Jr. is a meme character associated with bear markets. The design of Bobo is based on Apu, this person, I guess, who made it. And sometimes they're based on Pepe the Frog. The name Bobo was chosen in June 2018 and has become the official name of the character. Bobo is posted worldwide on Twitter, 4chan, particularly Bizboard on 4chan. They have the Bobo NFTs, the Bobo Council. They've been created. Bobo is used to satirize poor investment choices and express pessimism in financial markets. So Bobo is run by Rekt to Cash, an OG Bobo meme artist who has been creating Bobo content since its inception in 2018. So they show their NFT collection that's coming soon on their webpage there. So they have a roadmap which launch of the token, then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, 1,000 holders, get Bobo trending, community partnerships, central exchange listings, more holders, merch, apps, more holders, and then meme takeover, basically. They have frequently asked questions at the bottom of their page, NFTs, roadmap, frequently asked questions, tokenomics, socials, all that type of stuff. Partners are all available on their webpage. And pre-sale is going to start soon, so go check it out on pinksale.finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.